What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode. In this episode, we're going to talk about the show we were just at in Timonium. It was put on by Jam On Productions and Shows, and I gotta say, it was the first show I had a bike in, and it went great. A lot of people appreciated the work that we did to the bike. A lot of people stopped in to see it. Met so many cool people again, and had a really good time. I was out there representing Glen Burnie Motorsports. They had close to 100 bikes out there representing three brands: Yamaha, Suzuki, and Honda. So naturally, the M109 was in the Suzuki section, and it got a lot of attention. So made me feel good about everything we did to it, and a lot of people were interested in winning it and all that. So, and a lot of people got some ideas for their own bikes, which was great. We got a lot of exposure. It was so much fun. It was 3 days, Friday through Sunday. My voice is still giving out from talking to people all the time. I was one of the salesmen on the floor for the dealership, and just talking about the different models of bikes, and also telling people about the build series and how they can win the M109 and what all goes on here at MotoEsh. So it was a great time. My voice is giving out, and I think I might be getting a cold, but hopefully not, because I don't have time for that. It's been raining here for about 2 days, so I haven't been out in the shop much. Filming this episode real quick from the bedroom, trying to get something out for you guys. So just a couple quick pictures and videos of the show, and that's about it. Thanks so much for watching this week, and I'll see you next week.